Third, a private investigator gathers post-matrimonial evidence through methods like surveillance, background checks, and digital forensics to confirm suspicions of infidelity, financial fraud, or other deceptive behaviors. The evidence collected, such as photos, videos, and documents, is compiled into a detailed report with an objective analysis and is prepared to be legally admissible if needed, helping clients make informed decisions about their marriage or legal proceedings. Methods for evidence gathering. Surveillance. Discreetly following a person to document their activities, meetings, and interactions through physical observation or electronic monitoring. Background research. Investigating a person's past, including employment history, personal history, and family background, to identify any suspicious patterns. Digital forensics. Analyzing electronic devices like phones and computers to find hidden messages, emails, social media activity, or other online activities. Financial investigation. Tracing financial transactions, uncovering hidden assets or income, and investigating potential financial misconduct. Undercover operations. Using a false identity to gather information that would otherwise be concealed, which can be particularly useful in certain legal contexts, according to eyewitness.co.in. Types of evidence collected. Infidelity, photos, videos, or messages that indicate cheating. Financial, proof of concealed assets, fictitious income, or mismanagement of money. Behavioral, evidence of addictions, violence, or abusive habits that may affect legal proceedings. Lifestyle, information about a person's habits or background that could influence legal settlements. Post-investigation process. Analysis and reporting. The collected evidence is analyzed for relevance and compiled into a comprehensive report that details all findings. Legal admissibility. Reports are often prepared with legal requirements in mind, ensuring the evidence is admissible in court if the case proceeds to divorce or custody proceedings. Confidentiality. All investigations are conducted with utmost discretion, and findings are kept confidential, shared only with the client.